If your Barclays card is not showing in the app, it may not be activated or synced correctly. First, refresh the app by logging out, and logging back in. Then, check that your card is active and not expired. If you recently reviewed a new card, make sure it has been activated using the instructions provided by Barclays. Ensure that the account linked to the card is still open and in good standing. Then, head over to your app store, search for the Barclays app, and make sure that you have updated the app fully. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. And restart your phone. If the card still does not appear, contact Barclays support to link the card manually, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.